What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Te kumalong mentah hadin nyo kanta. Hadin bagi tekot jong ki Tourist Association napo Assam ki lami pajba da ki hajar ngut ban khanglat ya ki kali pajba nadu ki kali riushimet bat ki kali ki bakit ya ki nonglet nongwan lan ki kali kamai angte apo jorobat. Hadin ka jing chimkhia na ki board penyat district jong Kariboy district bat kumju napo Kamrup Assam. Hadin baki layo ban yakren bat kinong elam jong kini ki Association Tourist napo Assam kilala ban penduan ra syaka jing songsuk songsngan bat kemjuru ban pelat no ya kalit kawan jong ki kali ki badon ne ki registration number jong ka Meghalaya bakin la ban lek ban rung sapo Assam ne bakin lek chekiwe kiwe ki benta jong ka Assam kumbala ban kedo ma menne kilai i ba kaladon ka jing sakta ka bajur ya kinong lek nongwan kamtam ye kitu ki bab haban be ya kapor jong ki airplane ki train ba kumju ya kitu ki balet ban syak sumar ha ki hospital ba pher nrede hadin nyo kanta hadin gajing shibkhia na ki bor penyat district jong boro artli ki jela Kariboy district bat Kamrup kumjuru ki bor pulit lala bat banwara syak gajing pun sucu jemut ya kini kinong elam jong ki Tourist Association napo Assam bakin up bakin aipor arsngi ya ka Sorkar jela Meghalaya bat Assam bakin yo bane shong perkhat halor kane ka jing e lane ka jing ki jong ki Tourist Association napo Meghalaya bat kumjuru baka jing ya persha napo Assam te nakaliang jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya kin sa shong perkhat menta arsni bat nakaliang kane ki association jong ka Assam ru kila pedeng kata bakin up ya kini ki arsni ka e kata karai ka ban sami na kane ka jing ya shong perkhat ha pedeng ki arliang mamla jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam tiya menta kalit kawan jong ki nonglet nongwan ki balet ne ki balet ki ba mi napo Meghalaya sha Assam ru kalalong ka ba songsuk songsngai bat kila ban lek banwan ba kumjuru napo Assam ba ki barung sapo ka jela Meghalaya ru kalalong ka ba songsuk songsngai bat ki paiba kimde ban songs air hawa ki ya kirung kimi sha Assam ne sapo Meghalaya kublesh bun
as per your your complaints, as per your issues, right? So now we have taken up that that the matter, the government has taken up that matter and will address accordingly. Just like I have told you before, give the government 2 days because today it's a local holiday. Today is Unitarian Day in Meghalaya, so local holiday. None of the government offices are functioning today. It's functioning only tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Friday. Then again Saturday is a holiday. Then it will start functioning again next week. So give the government 2 days time. The government, as I've told you before, has already assured that within a matter of 2 days, the government at the highest level will be addressing this matter with the government of Assam. So both the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam will be addressing this issue and will be coming up with a permanent solution so that this matter does not come up again in the future.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.